reseller partner, and we are here demonstrating all our products. Q6, as you can see over here, and at New York here, we are able to, we have met a lot of new customer clients over here, especially from the Northeast Army. I think we are looking forward for more people to join us here.
Okay. We are. Is your company in touch with the Indian Defence Forces, and you are, dealing with any forces, providing product to them?
Yes, we are in Army. We are number one pioneer here in Indian Army.
Okay.
As you already know that 90% of drones in Indian Army goes from Idea projects. So we already have a very good customer base in Indian Army.
Okay. So your what about your products? It's totally indigenous, or you are importing some parts from any other country or company?
80-85% of all our products are made in India only, and
Okay.
only some parts of batteries we are exporting from outside.
Okay. Are your drones in paramilitary forces also?
Yes, our drones are already there in paramilitary forces, say ITBP, CRPF.
And
Yes,
your
sir.
drones are deployed in police forces also, or
Yes,
not?
we are already working with police department
And-
in almost all the states.
Okay.
In police departments, majorly in Uttarakhand, Rajasthan,
Okay.
all other states.
So how has been the response from visitors to your drones? Who is coming here in the
We have
event?
actually launched our new product range in Aero India, and
Okay.
we have got a lot of inquiries from for those drones in these 2-3 days.
Okay. So your drones are for the military use only, or you are it's for civil use also?
So our drones are typically security, surveillance, and mapping drones we are in, and our drones goes in government as well as in enterprise segment as well. And other than that, we also have drone as a service platform also available with us.
And what about the expansion plans you have for your company? Is it
Talking about expansion plans, we have already launched the new products, and for the coming 2-3 years, plan is already clear. We have already set the roadmap for
Okay.
the coming years, and we will be working on those drones. Those are majorly in transportation drones and military drones.
so we are dealing with only the Indian forces, or we are having foreign? You are having foreign clients also in.
Yeah, we have. In India, we are already well established, and now we have started going abroad as well for
So
Idea projects.
do you have any clientele from the foreign, or?
Yes, we already have. We have started working in US initially,
Okay.
and we already have started clients.
Anything you would like to add in this?
I think we are actually looking forward for more. We are actually looking forward to leverage our customer base to get more clients in India, and as well as abroad.
Okay. Thank you. It's a great conversation, and thank you for speaking with Edu.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.